G'day guys. Today I'm just going to give you a quick how-to video. I'm going to show you how to install post fence cap lights. But this situation, these are made for usually your backyard, your swimming pools, and that way people can't take them. So I'm going to show you how to install them. They're very easy, simple to do, and I'll show you how to fix them so no one can actually take them. So now with my fence is 50 by 50, but it's 3mm thick, so these don't actually quite fit. So I just have to knock these little corners off just by cutting them off. But now that is now multi, so it doesn't have to exactly fit in a 50 by 50. This one can go down to about 40. So slide these in, drill the holes so it makes it fixed so no one can pinch them. Now I apologise for the wind. Now these are the original caps. You've got to take these off. So just a matter of getting either a 5/16. Take these off. Different ones are all bolted in or they've just put on top. So undo them. Might need a hammer to take these off. Now, once you've smashed them off, you can actually see and have a look. Now, you can see this is not flat, it's not level. So we're going to have to cut this so it's level, nice and flat. No marking, you can't really see it. Just going to get the angle grinder, I'm just going to cut that nice and flush. So now that's sort of level. What you're going to do now is just give it a bit of a spray paint. So you give it a bit of a spray paint so that way it doesn't rust. Put the cap on. You just might need to tap these down a bit just to get them in there properly and nice and tight. Once it's all in, check to see if there's any gaps. Now time to drill the holes. So once you've drilled the holes, we're just going to use rivets to fix it. So that one, these ones can't be pinched. Just using the existing hole and putting 2 rivets on either side. Now no one can take that, that's properly fitted in, so could have used it to cut a bit of extra off that side there to make it more neater, but that will do. Put the cap on. It's recommended to charge it for about 2 days worth of full sun, but it's a bit impossible when it doesn't have an on and off switch. So what I'm I'm going to do later on is I'm going to glue a little glue around the edges there to put it onto the cap. That way that's going to be sealed and no one can pinch that and take that away. So I've done these ones here, I've done a few already, and they look really good at night. I'll do another video to show you what they look like at night time. Now I've just got to install one more and that'll be it. Now these are the outcome. So this is at night time when they turn on. Give it a nice effect, and then also put the one on the corner here, so don't look too bad.